Hello all, welcome. So in this complete playlist, we are going to learn Python from basics to advanced level concepts. So why you want to learn Python? So Python is very simple, powerful, and used everywhere in the world in all the domains. So what is the opportunity while you are learning Python? So you can get a great opportunity to work in artificial intelligence, data science, web development, automation, and machine learning. So what you will learn in this complete series: Python basic concepts, data structures, functions and loops, file handling and regex, advanced concepts in Python, and real world projects. What the learning approach we will be used in this complete series is: we will give you a simple explanation of each concepts, and we will provide a real code examples and give a deep explanation in how the functions were running, and also we will provide some assignments for your hands-on practice for every topics. The real world projects are there, like file organizer, expense tracker, web scraper, AI chatbot, portfolio website. So out of this, any one of the project will be taken for the demo. So this is our complete idea in this course. So let's learn together. Thank you.